So adding an application to the Newline launch control in administrator mode is actually very easy. The first thing we have to do is we have to unlock it. So I'm going to hit the unlock button, enter my PIN, and now I'm here in administrator mode, and I've got an add application button right here. So when I touch that, it will allow me to browse through a window and access the application from there. So I'm going to touch that now. I'm going to choose Browse Windows. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and find PowerPoint. And I'm going to add that by touching it and hitting Open. And now you can see it's added it. So adding an application administrator mode is as easy as touching a button.